Okay, well, let's see how this goes. I am recording the audio through my Sena Bluetooth and technically my camera as well. The plan is to get some better moto vlogging audio and I guess record the audio to my phone, upload that along with my video in hopes to get a much better audio quality for my my yapping in your ear for my moto vlogging, because GoPro mic adapter thing it's not exactly well, trustworthy, so to speak. That's not the right word. Trustworthy is not the right. It's inconsistent. We'll just call it that. It tends to cut in and out and this and that. So if I can sync my audio with my video, then I should have better audio. I don't know. This is just a test. We'll see how this goes. I should probably do something to sync the audio so I have a big sound wave. Bang! There we go. I'll sync that up with the motion. We'll see how that goes. Alright. I am leaving work to go get some food. My boy's got practice tonight. Show that he's in. Piece of metal in the road. You go bolt for a nut. Why are you stopping? You're stopping too far back. What are you doing? Filter. Got a filter through. And these guys are going to be going. There we go. Now I'm in the turn lane. Ready to get some gas. Where am I going to get gas? If I am going to... I'm going to go to the Cheesecake Factory. That's where we're meeting. My wife for a date. Dinner. Something like that. Well, that wasn't obnoxious at all. Actually doesn't sound good either. The little Bronco didn't really sound like a V8. It sounded like a V-twin. Or I think it was misfiring on a cylinder. Did not sound fantastic. So, scratch my nose. Yellow, going red, green, maybe. Oh, no, they're turning first. I forgot it's that one. If there's any tip I got for riders, man, read the lights on your route so you're ready to go. Check both ways. Zoom. Oh, a Grom! Got his big old bunny ears on. That's hilarious. I love that. I need a helmet cover like that. Oh, I hope this audio is still recording. Man, I gotta say, notice anything different on the bike here? Anything different at all? Anybody? Nothing? I like how I'm asking like somebody's gonna answer me. These right here. No more antlers. Yep, I know. I changed the mirrors again. I have gone through a couple sets, different mirrors at this point. I had some bar ends that kind of came up a bit, then they pointed out. They look really cool. The mirrors were so tiny I couldn't see nothing. They weren't that functional. And then I had some Rhizoma Stealth mirror knockoffs, not the actual ones. I'm too cheap for that. They were pretty sweet looking. Badass looking mirrors. Really like the profile look that it gave the bike. Very, very stealth. Looked real good. But functionally, absolute garbage, at least on this machine. Worked great on the Grom until I laid the Grom down on the track and busted it up. Probably should have taken it off in hindsight. The track took it off for me. And then I put the antlers back on and I was like, oh, well, function over form. Well, that lasted a while and then I wanted to go back to form. Because the antlers just didn't fit the look that I was going for. It wasn't low profile enough. Like the straight across look. And I actually got these. These are Amazon Mick Tuning. Something like that. Knockoff brand bar end mirror. I like these. They're 3-inch round, obviously, but semi-fisheye. A little bit more wide angle than some of the others. Let's see. Where am I going to get gas at? I need gas. Gasolina! Donde es gasolina? I never come down this road looking for gas. Anyway, cool looking wide body Mustang. There's gas over here. Let's go that way. Good. Better have power for everything to get out of way, or sometimes in the way. Yes, let's get gasolina, so I don't have to get gasolina later. And loop it around. All right, that's nice to be riding again. 2-day hot lately. Right, am I still recording? I am. Fantastic. Does it record when it's locked? Oh, it totally does. Oh, that's sticky. That's gross. Recording video. Let's go. For how much longer? Well, I got a little close to the pump. Alright. And please remove car. Do I want a car wash today? No, maybe not. That would really ruin my day. No. 7. My monster runs, come on. Fill it up. We'll top her off. Look at the pump. Let it finish dribbling because I don't like gas on the plane. This thing never springs back any way. Do you like Krispy Kreme? So, I am optimistic about this recording setup. This will find out much more better. It's jamming. Alright. Let's see here. Gassed up. Neutral. Found it. Whoop. Finding neutral right away is like so good, dude. Freaking rips. You know, there's this guy that keeps popping up on my TikTok feed, and I can't remember his name, but I freaking love this dude's content. You guys have probably seen him. His little profile picture is a really cool chicken dude cartoon. I forget the movie right now. But anyway, he comes on, he's like, you know what freaking rips now that I'm 30, dude? And he's like, super surfer guy. I don't know. This guy's awesome. And he's like, you know, fucking fire, dude, now that I'm 30. And I think today is the sunsets. My last peak, doing her last show for snoozes. I can't even replicate it. He does it, it's so organic. And it's freaking amazing. Like, the living embodiment of Crush from Finding Nemo. He's amazing. I hope you see my channel or my TikTok or whatever, bro, and just know that every time you post, you make my freaking day. Seriously. I wish I remembered his name off the top of my head. It's been such a long work day. I can't remember right now, but dude. So when I'll have to watch his stuff and remember his name and shout him out and do freaking, you know what freaking rips, dude? Finding neutral on the first try is freaking frothy, bro. I only wish I was as cool as you. So I hope you see my stuff and just appreciate that I appreciate you and your content you're putting out. I see it, it makes me giggle and it makes my freaking day, dude. No joke. So if you guys haven't seen him, then find him. I don't know how you'd even find him, but he's on TikTok and as he would say, it's freaking fire, bro. I can't even try to be that cool. Anyway, I don't know if you rehearse it before you do it or what. If that comes naturally to you, that is a gift, sir. Oh, we're green. And that dude's backing out of the intersection. Thank you. Woo! Gas.